Hello, friend. You are not alone. And I took another COOF test, came up positive again, so make all the drug jokes you want, I don't care. I'm gonna be snorting and sniffing this whole stream. I'll try to mute most of the time when I am, but yeah, we definitely missed this one. But who cares about that? Yeah, that's for you guys. Yeah, let's get to business. If there is any glimpse of hope, which is what we've expected, this is what we've expected. This is what has been expected. Make no doubt about it. And it is crappy. It is scary. Man, I look at my trading account, I'm like, what the hell? It looks like I've lost like damn near 30% of my account. My crow. Jesus Christ, I don't know why I held on to this. It's all good though. I am diversified, but yeah, hodling sucks, but we'll really know, man, I had a couple people reach out to me, a couple influencers actually, quite popular ones. Don't try to guess because I ain't gonna say who. But some of them were a little worried about, you know, some of their holdings. And I'll tell you the same thing I told them. If you think it's bad now, you ain't seen nothing yet, amigo. Just kidding, I didn't say that. Kind of. But I would say this 36.9 again. I believe we mentioned this a few days ago. Mentioned it a couple times. Alessio Rastani 2 hours ago came out with his video talking about the fear index, and we're at extreme fear and this market structure. And you know, he made a good point of when, you know, when we're going straight up and we have a drop in its fear, yeah, okay, it's just a consolidation, but we stopped going straight up. We confirmed stop going straight up right here after we had this double top. This was confirmed it's done going straight up. so to speak, as far as like physics terms. And just, you know, when there's a train, man, there's a time you don't want to try to. A train will run you over. You go poof. And this looks like a train, man. And you know what was really concerning? Actually, I was looking at here what was kind of, where was it? Just looking at the hourly. Man, when we said Bitcoin has no legs, we really meant it. We even memed it on Twitter. Remember Lieutenant Dan? Lieutenant Dan ain't got no leg. And neither do we. And the fact of the matter is, for the past 2 months, we've been saying, and it's been, not even we've been saying, we've been showing no legs on all time frames. And we've had little bursts of moments. I would say thank God we took profit and got out right here, but that little 100K isn't shit compared to how much I'm in the red right now across everything I'm holding. I am not in any trades. No, I'm not in any shorts, not in any longs, not in any shorts. And boy, I tell you, I sure as hell hope y'all haven't been just free fall longing this whole way down, because I know there are people out there who have and who are. So, the good news, get rid of some of this. The good news is, according to my calculation, and you know, everyone else has different calculation than me. Yeah. And yes, this is market structure, but things are not straight across, you know, like price action is up and down, but there is other factors. It's multi-dimensional. We only see price action 2D. And so a lot of times people think of it as just a grid left and right. But I believe it is not. It is multi-dimensional, and I think that's why spider lines have helped us so much. And so my ass says that 37,000, whenever the price hits this line, if we start closing below this, then it's fucking game over. It's pretty much game over. It's been game over already. And by game over, that just means a year, maybe longer, because everything takes longer. Yeah, I tested positive for, I got the coof if you're just joining us. I took another test today too, and I'm still positive. I'm really just congested. My headache's a little better right now. I got the Chinese, It took them a long time to get my ass. But lucky for me, I got friends. I got Chinese friends. I'm not taking ivermectin, I'm taking chivermectin. It's the stuff they were spraying everyone in China. That's why they got rid of COVID so fast. So I hit up some of my old Bybit friends and they sent me a little nasal spray of that shit. Just thanks, Ben. All he said, you'll be good in 2 days. I'm just kidding. That was a joke. It was a joke about the Chinese thing. You know, I'm glad I got it late because viruses get weaker most of the time as they mutate, but they get more contagious. Viruses are just like us. They don't prefer war, they just want to fuck. And so they don't really know they're doing any harm. They're just a little organism just like you and me. They're just trying to get laid. They're not trying to fight anybody. So as they mutate, their weenies get longer. Anyways, now, if we do break this level, then listen, it's all the YouTube, it's time for the YouTubers to start saying it's the next support. If we were, this is the next support, and then next support, and the next support, and the next support, all the way down to where we already have had the answers long ago, my friend. Long ago. Now let's take a little step back and think about how we got in this situation. Again, when we went out to dinner, thank you, bro. I appreciate you listening to me. I'm just as lonely as you guys are. Shit, I need you just like you need me. I'm over here going fucking crazy, man. Like, I need something to take my mind off this fucking Chinese shit. I forgot what I was saying. Oh, yes, I remember. 64K top forever. And why? Why? Because when we go out to dinner in multiple cities, countries, continents, and you hear people talking about Doge, Dolce, Dukaslav, Dukicflicknov, Duke, Doge, El Doggo, Perro, Dogecoin, every fucking language, every country someone's talking about Dogecoin, then what do you think's gonna happen? The hell's the matter with you people? the fuck is wrong with everyone? What the fuck is wrong with everyone?
Fucking Windows 98! Fucking Windows 98! Fucking Windows 98!
Now I haven't seen this. Jesus. What do we have here? Boy, this does not look good on the 2-day. Wow. Man, all you gotta do is look at Market Cipher. I'm telling you, it fucking shows you right there. You know, it's hard. I'm telling you, it's hard to remove your ego and your wants and needs and the chat troll boxes.
Fucking Windows 98!
Man, and even, I know. There was, this was not the time to try to catch knives, man. I hope a lot of people didn't do it. There was nothing, there's just no legs, man. There's been no legs for 2 months. I did not expect this to happen. You don't know when it's going to happen. That's why, like I said, man, fuck. This was going to be the trade. This was going to be the big one, you know, that I was looking for, so to speak. And you don't always know. You don't really know when it's going to happen. You can, you know, I didn't take the swing on this one. And it was a big one. But that's all right.
Fucking Windows 98!
We knew it was going to get cracked down. Didn't know it was going to get hit like this, man. But I mean, we did. Look where it wicked. Look where it wicked, man. It came right where it wicks. It stinks. When you're knocking on your girl's door at night, eventually you get through. It's been the trend. For 3 months almost. Now, talk about kamikaze trading, man. I really hope people didn't double down, increase their leverage. Y'all have been around too long to be doing that shit. I don't think too many people did. There's always going to be, if you look on Twitter, obviously you're going to find people that are doing that shit. Going on with Ethereum, man. I tell you, it's been taking 1 step forward or a half a step forward, 2 steps back. 1 little step forward, 2 steps back. It ain't got nothing to do with manipulation. It ain't got nothing to do with anything but money. In the amount that is there. And guess what? It has been straight up going down. It's been going down. It's been going down. There ain't no excuses. There is no one you can blame. There is no... If you're going to blame someone, then you can blame the Chinese. Because they're the ones that hold the most of it and sell it. They own most of it. Always have. Always will. Pardon me. Let me correct that phrase. They mine it all and dump it on everybody. Remember when X2 Pool said we haven't even sold 10%? We haven't even sold 10%. How much they dumped that shit, they haven't even sold. I'm telling you, Bitcoin's easily dumped, man. You remember on Around the Poop Chain the other day when I was on with Richard Hart and the two ladies? And I didn't hear him say it when we were live, or else I kind of would have said something. But he said he didn't say it was the toxic. He didn't want to personally be a cause of the Bitcoin crash, which I think is a little big-headed. But if he wanted to, he could crash Bitcoin with the money, but not with a tweet. But he got the money to dump it if he wanted to. If one man's got the money to do it, then there should not be no ETFs. There should not be no 401ks or J's. I tell you what, if we see Bitcoin Cash pumping right now, then we know who it is. Okay, it's not Craig Wright. Man, look how gap this was. We've been seeing this same stuff for 2 months. No legs. Lieutenant Dan, you ain't got no legs. Lieutenant Dan don't got legs, and neither do we. I'd say that we and Lieutenant Dan have a couple things in common. Fuck! I just had a blowback. Unlike Lieutenant Dan, I ain't gonna be shrimp fishing, but I tell you what. Can't believe I just put USD behind that. Oh, I know, I remember what I wanted to do. I wanted to see the comparison of crypto to oil since November 5th. 2020. So let's if you're just joining us, I got the coop. I don't want you make all the jokes you want. I'm gonna be blowing snot in your ear all night long. Ugh. Okay, oil, USO. One of my 4 or 5 oil ponies up 122% since November 4th, 5th. Let's take a look at Bitcoin, baby. Oh, I can't wait to see what it is. It's up 154%. Now, it can go down to... So when Bitcoin... If Bitcoin goes below 34,000, oil wins. And I was right. All of my friends, all of my family, when they came to me and asked me about what they should do with their money, crypto was not my answer. That's what they wanted, and they said they were doing. But I said, oil, 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 o'doil, like a boil. Harvest your boils, because that oil.
Fucking Windows 98!
Oil just had its correction. You think oil's at its high? You think oil's at its high? You think oil's at its high? Boy, you don't know shit. You don't know shit, bro. Oil's at its high. Get the fuck out of here. Dude, oil's at its high, guys. Hey, listen. Don't go to the pump. Don't go to the pump. Because the price of gas and oil's gonna go down. We swear. This only smells. It's only been 1 year. You think oil? You think oil is at its high? What the fuck's the matter with you? Charlie, whatever your name is. Now you can be forgiven. But I need you to take a good look at this man's face. If you keep going on your same path, this is going to be the last face you see. Think about that while I go grab my coffee. Alrighty. Oh man, that coffee is good. There's nothing like a warm cup of coffee or tea. You know, I haven't been sick in years. Last time I got like actually sick, it had to be probably 5 years. I'd say 5 years. Yeah, everyone, don't go hard on Charlie. We're just having fun. It only smells. anyways, you know, ever since we've been talking about oil, people always ask me where you can trade oil. Just Google oil ETFs. In fact, let's go back to oil, because let's be real. If you're getting pilly whacked, if you started your trading career, your self journey to attempted everlasting freedom, you're already going to be a slave. Either you fuck up yourself and you're a slave working for someone, or you never try and you're a slave working for someone. So you got nothing to lose. Unless you're a family man, okay? Now, crypto and Bitcoin is way harder to trade than normal shit. Stocks, cattle, you name it. Don't be a stranger to always try to learn something new. And listen, all these nerds, you're going to be hearing nerds, I tell you, they will never stop, okay? They'll never stop saying it's a reversal, go long now, when they got nothing to go on. You guys got nothing to go on. You've been wrong every single time. And if you're right one time, good for you. You've been wrong the 20 other times. Do not be trying to catch knives and shit unless you see it clear, man. Unless you cannot not do it. You think crypto's easier compared to stocks, Mo? I don't think so. I don't think so at all. But everyone's different. Man, I mean, look at this shit. It is so simple. Oh, it's in the red. It comes back up. Boom. Oh, it's in the red. We long that shit. Played around. Boom. Whales are accumulating. Do you know how many whales accumulated MCI WorldCom? Do you know how many whales accumulated Enron? Did I say MCI WorldCom already? You know how many whales MCI got MCI WorldCom? A lot. Silver's the next move. Let's take a look, bro. Oh my God, he's right. This looks like it's too late. If you were right in here, that was the time to get in. At least on the 12 hour. talking about. Now, here is the other. So on our blue Spidey lines, but see, I don't trust these ones because I didn't draw a line. That's why I use the Coinbase one. So in fact, let's do that now. Let's see where that next line is. Why not? Oh man, it's going to be a deep one. Let's see where that winds up. Oh my God, what do you know? What do you know? Wow. It's the same as, oh, that was 29,365. This one's 30, pretty much same place. Although the Columbus one's right here. So, yeah, man, this is it to me. This is the true testament, right? 37 on here. On this one, it's fucking 35. But oh God. Correct, the Bitstamp chart is not log. It's not log on purpose. You don't see any real volume to confirm the dump. David, there hasn't been real volume. Like, that's, so that brings us back to our point with the money flow. The money. We follow the money. And the money ain't being traded. It ain't there. Not like it was before. And it's been decreasing this whole time. Like a garden. Money is blood. Money is water. Especially to this stuff. The more of it, there's a bigger economy, more people, overall, the price goes up. When there's more water on dirt, more plants can live. When there is less plants live. Okay, so you're saying that means the bottom? Alright, so what happens when this comes down to here then? Are you still considering this the bottom? Because that's a 30%. That's 30%. So you're wrong 30%, bro. And the lower the price goes, the more costly mistakes are. 40,000 to 20,000 is 50%. 60,000 to 20,000 or 40,000 is 30%. The lower the number, man, those swings, the percentages are bigger, man. That's why we've been it's the environment changes, man. The trading environment changes. And this shit has been dead sideways, not itching or moving Ah! I wish I shorted. But it's all good. What sucks about missing out on a short is your crypto assets go down too. If you miss a long, it's okay because it's all, rising tide. But when you miss a short, it sucks. When you hit a short, it's terrific. I was thinking about today. There's a YouTuber I was thinking about shouting out. I've never talked to him. I don't know him. He's not even in crypto. He's in a different. He's in Forex. Yeah, I've been having the Rona for a couple days, but it does come in waves. I feel better now than I did during the daytime. I thought slow mode was on, but I guess not. Boy, I tell you, the bear market, these sell-offs really bring out the bad in people. You see it. Yeah, he's a Forex kid. I don't do the Forex thing. I got really no thoughts on it. But the market cipher people that trade Forex, like I go get it. If you can do it, get it done. It's probably easier than crypto. Yeah, boy, all that metaverse talk. Boy, that metaverse talk's gonna be going away soon. Here's kind of my main gripe with the metaverse. I'm gonna be honest with you. In my opinion, at least the way it's pitched to me, could be wrong, is metaverse is pitched as a virtual reality, what's the word I'm looking for? Metropolis, right? Metropolis, where there's billboards, and you can go in an office building, and there's the fake gynecologist room right there. There's the shit token protocol room right there. There's Joe's sandwiches. But VR has been around for a long time. The technology for virtual reality has to be at least 10 years. And I think there's a big problem with putting a virtual reality headset on a child, on yourself. I don't think, I'm not here to judge anyone. I don't have any kids. But I don't think I could ever put, here, little junior, little crypto face junior, put this virtual reality headset, leave me alone, and go off into the messed up world where, oh my God. There, now slow mode's on. You know what's funny is that guy saying my mother rots in hell. I'm pretty sure it's the same guy that I sent a cease and desist to, and he cramped up like a little bitch. I know it's you, bro, and I know where you live. We know everything about you, dude. And out of all the big talk you had, bro, you ran away and said, "Okay, I won't do it anymore," like a bitch, dude. So get the fuck out of here, bro. You ain't hurting nobody's feelings, bro.
Fucking Windows 98!
Yeah, I put this Vicks Vapor Rub on my chest. And, I have a nostril that has opened, but now I got, like, the Vicks aftertaste in the back of my throat. Alright, let's look at the price action a little bit here. What's going on here? Are we saved? Man, I don't think so. Yeah, VR shit is cool. It's not all stock of it. Like, dude, who wants to knock shit over in their house? Like, people don't even have room. Most people don't even have room where they live. You think a mom's gonna put a VR headset on her little badass kids? You don't think they're gonna be running into walls and shit? That's because we're on the hike in the sheet candles, bro. It's got two prices there. The average price of the candle and then the real price. It might just be so. These are normal candles, right? So you got the real price currently is $38.9, and when you put on the hike and the sheet candles, you got the average price at $38.9 in the red. You got the average price at $38.8, whatever, in the green. Might be a little. I'll tell you one thing: you're not gonna find the overall market fucking reversal sitting here wide-eyed on the small time frames. Out of 200 times, there might be that one time. Yeah, like that interview with the Activision guy. It's all about the race to the metaverse. The race to the metaverse. Stupid ass. It ain't about no race to metaverse. You didn't hear Microsoft guy talking about no race to metaverse. Damn, I'll tell you what though, look at where she's taking a little break here. How about them spider lines, boys? Golly! Yeah, every company is going to allocate a little tiny bit to the bullshit metaverse, but when they see that the market decides The market decides. It will not be the first time that a bunch of CEOs think one thing and the market chooses the other with their money. That's what's happened with virtual reality. Yeah, shit, you get catfished enough in reality. That banana, you think you're talking that banana? Although I tell you what, I really want to have a virtual reality market cipher classroom. I think we would have a blast. We get about 20 of us in there. Everyone's their different little avatars. You got the banana, you got the skimpy Japanese bunny ear girls, and who knows what, you know, Mr. Potato Head. You got Mr. Potato Head. You got Tomatoverse, the Tomato Man. And everyone's sitting in their chairs and shit, and everyone's like serious.
When you look at the RSS, does that mean it's strong when they're stick together?
But we don't need the metaverse for that. Okay, everyone see pencil necks. You can be a pencil neck anything. You just have to have the pencil for a neck. Like you could be an ogre, but your neck is a pencil. All can be pencil neck. You can be whatever avatar you want and have a pencil neck. But yeah, it'd be funny if we have a bunch of pencils in there. Everyone's waiting in line. There's already good stuff like on VR. There's good games on VR. There's great games on VR. But the market, bro, it's the market, the parents in the house. And like, I'll give you this. Video games has brought into not little kids. We're all you know, my generation, we play video games and shit. But I have a virtual reality headset. Brand new. I still haven't opened it. I opened it and I've never used it. I'm like, my eyes are bad enough, dude. What the hell? Why would I want to do that? No, I'm not in any trades. Although that 10-minute looked like it. I ain't trying to trade right now. But I don't know. I ain't trying to trade right now, man. You hear me? I hit my little all up. Boy, this looks like it's got a little dump coming. This little 10-minute looks like it's got this looks like it's got a move down coming. At least on the 10-minute, but we kind of missed it. So we missed its higher time frame support. We missed the backup on the higher time frames. So nah, I'm not looking to trade. The time I missed out on this one. It's too late. It's too late. I sure as hell ain't logging this shit. Yeah, man, I have crypto. You know, I'm in the crypto world, man. I have multiple businesses and shit, so I always have crypto. You know. Yeah, how about that Netflix? Man, I'm telling you, this shit is so wonky because everyone already put their money in, man. The money ain't printing. It's dude. We knew shit would start to slow because the last 1 or 2 times where they printed money, dude, the market didn't go up that much at all, at all, at all. Netflix dumps 20% on a little earnings bullshit? Dude. Shit's hitting the fan, man. Where the fuck? What the fuck? What did it not go down 20%? I thought I saw it went down 20%, or was that their earnings down 20%? I guess it didn't go down 20%. Oh, the after hours. Gotcha. Oh, so you're telling me tomorrow it's going to open up at 4:09? Wow. What? Are you serious? Right now it is? Oh, no. You know Netflix is about 1/6 of the market. Look at the guy's face they put on. Oh my god. You know, you gotta give these scummy bastards credit sometimes. Look at them. Fucking, they know how to choose a picture. Oh, they know how to choose a picture. They are so ruthless, man. The media is fucking terrible. God, they're terrible. Man. How about those X's? Yeah, man. If you haven't used Market Cipher on the standard markets, man, it's you'd be pleasantly surprised. It's a lot easier. Yeah, if Netflix goes down, everything goes down. One day, man, it goes down fast. One day. Ooh.
Fucking Windows 98!
Amp. Oh man. Let's take a look at it. Ooh. Oh. It's at its all-time low. Whoa. Lowest it's ever been. Ever. Wow. You don't have enough cigarettes for these dips. Amen to that. Wow. That's rough. It ain't gonna be the first, it ain't gonna be the last. I'll be right back. sorry about that. I got really into this talk radio. Alright, how we looking? Man, look at that. Like we're gonna be we're getting rejected right off that other spider line, man. Alright, how's everybody doing? Come on, baby, pull up. You can do it. Can you do it? Man, if there wasn't a lesson about when we are in a bear trend, it spends way more time in the red. If you're long in the red, when it gets in the green, sell that shit. This thing was barely in the green. Momentum was up here. We sold. It was live, but I didn't short. And damn, missed out on that one. You the man. No, you're the man. Is my brother still here? He posted a good meme. That's a good one. I posted a good meme. The doggy's here, he's doing good. His cough went away. Anyways, that's all I have to say about that, I think. Not in any trades, not trading. And I think we had some good spiels, had a good time. Got a little off our chest. Yelled at a couple people, had fun, provided some entertainment. And I think that's about it, folks. Other than that, it's been a good stream. I know, you know, this is just the reality of the situation, and really, you know, there's fundamental stuff too that you know, at the end of the day, it's not even fundamentals, man. At the end of the day, it's the money. And no matter what the stock market's doing, the flop market's doing, the sock market, the cattle futures, the shit coins, the Bitcoin, the Twitter people, your influencers, your people starting projects, your people pitching projects. At the end of the day, only one thing matters. And that is where the money is. And the money is not in Bitcoin USD like it used to be. Currently. Doesn't mean it won't be there again someday. Someday. Not today. Probably not tomorrow either. And probably not the day after that.
Fucking Windows 98!
But I'll tell you one thing. What will be here is me. Coof or no coof. I will be here. And I will do my best to serve you, entertain you, and give you my honest thoughts, popular or not. And I ain't saying I'm special. But in a world of assholes, well, not assholes, but tryhards, people that try to be and try to say, try to come off to be something that they ain't. Well, that ain't me, bud. And that's all I can say. And if that's all I got, then that's all I got. You have a nice day. Good luck to you. And maybe I'll see you soon. But maybe not. And thank you.
Fucking Windows 98!